Hey guys, welcome back to the Best Online Tutorials channel. In this video, I will show you how to back up your Minecraft hardcore world automatically. Okay, so you need to go to your desktop, right-click an empty space, hover over New and select Text Document. So you just go here, New, and then Text Document. So just create a new one and let us open it up. And we are going to paste a specialized lightweight command line script into this file. You can grab the exact script from the checklist layout. So we will just post it in the video description. So this script is as follows, this one right here. So don't get scared, I know it looks a little bit scary, but just use this. It's pretty easy, you don't have to edit anything or nothing like that. Alright, and as a explanation about what this script even does, so it does three distinct things. It creates a dedicated backup directory, grabs the current date and timestamp, and it uses the Windows deployment tool Xcopy to duplicate your hidden game files. So you just can change the world, your world name inside the text block to match the exact folder name of your specific hardcore save. So as you can see, your world name right here, change this to exactly how you have it in your actual saves. Also here, don't forget, so you'll have to edit it a bit. Okay, and also your active launcher path also needs to be changed here. Do not delete the percentages. Alright, and then when you're done with this file, with changing the names and stuff, proper paths and stuff like that, you need to go File, and then Save As. Press on this, and then just name the file, for example, launchminecraft.bat. So instead of the text file, just name it as BAT, and then just save it onto your desktop. So for example, I'll just write it down here, so you can just name it launch minecraft dot and then bat, okay, like this. Do not write this in, this is just me explaining things to you guys. And then when you double click this file, the command layout will run silently in the background, log down a perfect historical clone of your world grid inside a clean folder at your specific path, and instantly boot up your game launcher. So pretty simple guys, enjoy the guide, like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.